Man, I am so bored. I am just standing here at Church's Texas Chicken, and I don't even have anything to do at this time. What should I do? I have an idea. I am going to run Church's Texas Chicken.
Hello! Welcome to Church's Texas Chicken. How may I help you?
I am here to rob this Church's Texas Chicken restaurant.
Oh, no way! You will not be robbing Church's Texas Chicken. That is illegal.
I don't care if it's illegal. I want all of the food. Give it to me right now.
Like I said, I will not be letting you get away with all of this food.
You better hand over all of the food, or else I will shoot you with a gun.
Okay, fine. I will give you all of the food. Here you go!
Thanks! Now have fun without any type of business and an empty Church's Texas Chicken restaurant. Alright. Amazing! I robbed Church's Texas Chicken in success. Now I have all the food to myself.
No, you do not have all the food to myself, because you are under arrest for robbing Church's Texas Chicken. Before you get in the police car, please give me all of the stolen food. Now get in the police car right now. We are taking you straight to jail.
And jail.
This is your cell. You will stay in here for 1 week. You also have some furious visitors. In the meantime, I will return all of this stolen food back to Church's Texas Chicken. Classic Manbuddy, we can't believe about what we heard on the news today. We can't believe you robbed Church's Texas Chicken and got arrested for it. You know that robbing is one of the most serious crimes, and you will most certainly get arrested for it.
Your father is right, Classic Manbuddy, and because is this, you are now grounded for 10 days with effect from now. We will see you whenever we see you. Goodbye for now.
Oh my god! My life totally sucks.